The Vocabulary SpellingCity app, which is made and designed by SpellingCity Incorporated, is an efficient Android, iPad, and iPhone educational app. SpellingCity have designed an app that tackles many key instructional issues, including, but not limited to, engaging students in collaborative learning, incorporating effective learning tasks, addressing various styles of learning, and providing effective assessment data for both the student and the teacher. SpellingCity addresses these issues in such a way that it relates to the school curriculum of all primary school students in a fun, gaming environment. While this app does have some limitations, there are various theories of both teaching and learning are evident within SpellingCity.
SpellingCity fosters collaborative learning through a number of mini-games that promote the notion of working as a team to reach a common goal. Two such mini-games include Audio Word Match and Hang Mouse. Audio Word Match requires students to match pairs of words that are spoken to them, while Hang Mouse commands students to guess a hidden word within a limited number of guesses. SpellingCity comes with inbuilt multi-touch support to help facilitate group learning for these activities. These two open-ended activities are centered on the theory of social constructivism, where students construct knowledge in groups to find a solution. Hang Mouse in particular sits atop the highest order of Bloom's taxonomy, as it encourages the students to create the correct word from individual letters. This type of creative thinking is the most effective method of learning for students. However, SpellingCity's activities do not share many characteristics of authentic learning tasks. Jan Harrington, 2010, defines authentic learning tasks as one with ill-structured goals, opportunity for the detection of irrelevant information, and the involvement of students' beliefs and values in completing these tasks. A limitation of SpellingCity is that it only contains shallow, simple tasks with clear results to achieve. However, for the most part, the app provides social constructivist tools for incredibly effective and creative learning.
The SpellingCity app incorporates multiple learning styles into a fun, gaming environment. The app contains over 6 mini-games, offering a variety of learning activities within each one. These mini-games range from a variation of Hangman to a memory word game. Each mini-game incorporates a final score after their completion and can be scaled to suit any primary school student, levels kindergarten to 6. Its variety of learning styles is a major reason why this app is such a fun app to play and learn. While SpellingCity is incredibly visual with lots of pictures and animations, its touch-based games also incorporate a lot of kinesthetic movements. As this app is spelling-based, its content is largely verbal linguistic, but it also enters the oral learning sphere with an option to speak sentences and answers to the user. Hangmouse is one of many mini-games that encourage interpersonal activity and social interaction among users of the app. Although the app incorporates many learning styles, a disadvantage is that there is a lack of reflective practices in the minigame. Kolb's experiential learning theory emphasizes that forming observations and reflections in order to test theories and construct knowledge to a larger extent. This is only done in a shallow manner. SpellingCity only offers minigames results and the option to replay the games as a form of reflection. However, its variety of activities, multiple learning styles, and difficulty slider makes SpellingCity a fun and engaging app.
SpellingCity's activities are closely related to the New South Wales curriculum from kindergarten to Year 6. At the core of the English curriculum throughout these years is an expectation that students are able to develop their spoken and written English skills for a range of purposes. SpellingCity allows students of a younger age to construct basic sentences and spell simple words, while older students are taught through the app to spell letters with multiple syllables and construct longer sentences. When students pick what difficulty they want, the game adjusts to their own year level by only displaying words and puzzles that are challenging but achievable for them. For example, one aspect of the Year 1 curriculum is an expectation that students are able to spell common words with 1 or 2 syllables. SpellingCity's minigames cater to this standard. In Hangmouse, the most complex word displayed was birthday. Unfortunately, the app has a very narrow scope when it comes to the curriculum content it deals with, so there is almost no other key learning area that is integrated with the design of this app. SpellingCity is also limited within the English key learning area, as it does not go beyond the boundaries of spelling, words, or basic sentence structure. However, it does these things extremely well, and SpellingCity Inc. Incorporated has designed a remarkably effective tool for students to learn.
SpellingCity engaging content is wrapped in a simple, easy-to-use package. Students are presented with the choice of multiple minigames in a simple list. Students receive a sound confirmation when pressing the touchable button on screen or at various stages throughout the activities, indicating whether they answered a question correctly or not. This makes the app extremely friendly and intuitive for younger generations by engaging multiple senses. SpellingCity is also very useful for the teacher. They can create online accounts and add their students, therefore checking their results collectively. This process saves a lot of time for the teacher and acts as an effective form of grading and assessment on student spelling. This also benefits the students as they can save their scores and track their own improvement. Menus are also extremely simple. Each minigame has its own difficulty level, and you can change difficulty or exit the game at any time to go to the home screen. SpellingCity's clear instructions and easy navigation make learning to spell as productive and effective as possible.
However, the app does not feature any file transfer software or an option to export the students' scores as spreadsheets. Teachers must input student scores manually on another program, such as Microsoft Excel.
The SpellingCity Inc. has designed an incredibly versatile and intuitive application. The app fosters student creativity and through construction of knowledge in a social way. SpellingCity excels in a number of areas, including engaging students in collaborative learning, incorporating authentic learning tasks, addressing various styles of learning, and providing effective assessment data for both the student and the teacher. This application managed to accomplish these things in a fun, engaging game environment. The app developers' lofty ambitions have paid off for the most part, as lack of authentic learning tasks and reflective activities limits its effectiveness. However, an incorporation of a number of learning styles makes SpellingCity the premier free spelling application on the market.